How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. And also I hope you all completed your unit test 1 successfully. So today first we are going to learn 5 tables. Shall we learn, children? Okay, look at here. 5 table. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. 10 5s are 50. Shall we read once again, children? Read with me. 5 table. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. 10 5s are 50. So children, I hope now all of you understood 5 tables. Today we are going to enter into a new lesson, new chapter. So chapter number 4, addition. So today what we are going to learn, children? We are going to learn addition. First, we will know what is meant by addition. Addition is putting things together. Addition means putting things together. For that we are having a small example. See here, children, example. So Sanjay planted 7 saplings. Rita planted 8 saplings. So there is 2 kids, Sanjay and Rita. So Sanjay planted 7 saplings and Rita planted 8 saplings. So if we put together these 2 things, if we put these 2 things together, that is called addition. See here, I have taken 7 and 8. So I am putting these 2 things together. So totally we got 15. So 15 is the addition. We will say these 2 as addends. Addends. And the answer we got, right, that is called sum. The answer is sum and these 2 are addends. Now, do you understood, children? What is meant by addition? Addition is nothing but putting things together. Okay, children? Next, symbol. This symbol, see here, denotes addition. This symbol is denoted for addition. And this symbol is known as plus. That symbol is used to denote addition and it is said as plus. What we will say, children? Plus. So, shall we recall once again what is meant by addition? Addition is nothing but putting things together. Okay, children? Next we will see properties of addition. Here we have 2 properties. Shall we read first one? Any number added with 0 gives the same number. So, if we add 0 with any number, we will get the same answer. For example, see here, 210. What number is this? 210 plus 0 is equal to 210. Did we have any change in the answer? No. So, if we add 0 with any number, we will get answer as the same number. See the second example, 0 plus 175. So, we got the answer as 175. If we put 0 next to the number or in the first, it may be present in any place. But if we add 0 with any number, we will get the same number as the answer. This is number, we will get the next number as the answer. Children, now we are going to see adding three two-digit numbers without regrouping. So now we are going to add three two-digit numbers. See the first one. So what are the numbers we are having? Shall we read? 12, 24 and 23. So we have to write the numbers orderly, like ones we have to write straightly and tens we have to write straightly. So what are the numbers we are having? 12, 24 and 23. There are three two-digit numbers. Now we are going to learn how to add this. First we have to add from ones place. We have to start from ones place, then only we have to move to tens place. Now shall we add ones place, children? So we are having three numbers. How we will add? Now I will tell, okay? See, first 2. Take 2 in the might and 4 in the finger. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we got? 6. And we are having one more number. Yeah, now we are going to add that with 6. So take 6 in the might and 3 in the finger. 6 after 7, 8 and 9. So we got the answer as 9. For ones place we got answer as 9. And see the tens place, shall we add? Now 1. So take 1 in the might, 2 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3. So how much we got? 3. Next we are having one more number. So take 3 in the might, 2 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5. So we got answer as 5. So I am writing here 5. So totally what answer we got, children? 59. By adding this three two-digit number, we got answer as 59. Now do you understand, children? Shall we move on to the second example? Okay. See here, what are the numbers we are having? 32, 13 and 41. Now we are going to add ones place first. See, take 2 in the might, 3 in the finger. 2 after 3, Okay. Next we are going to see second example. Here also we are having a 3-digit number. Shall we read the numbers first? 537. Next 220. So first we are going to add ones place. 7 plus 0. So what properties are? If we add 0 with any number, we will get the same number as the answer. So 7 plus 0 is 7. So I am writing 7. Next, see the tens place. We are having number 3 and 2. So take 3 in the mind and 2 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5. So what answer we got? 5. And next see the hundreds place. We are having number 5 and 2. So take 5 in the mind and 2 in the finger. So 5 after 6, 7. So what answer we got, children? 7. So I am writing 7. So by adding these 3-digit number, we got 757 as the answer. So I hope you all understood addition, children.
Children, now we are going to see an interesting activity. The activity is about addition. So we are going to add number 1 to some other numbers, adding 1. So see here first what number we are having? We are having number 1. This is addition symbol and it is said as plus. So 1 plus 1. What answer we got, children? 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Next, see here what number we are having? 2. So 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. How to add 2 plus 1? Take 2 in the mind and 1 finger. 2 after 3. So we got answer as 3. Next, what number we are having here? Number 3. So number 3 plus 1. What answer we will get? Shall we say? Take 3 in the mind and 1 finger. 3 after 4. So what answer we will get, children? 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Next, 4 plus 1. What we will get? 5. So take 4 in the mind and 1 finger. 4 after 5. So what answer we will get? 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Next, 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So take 5 in the mind, 1 finger, 5 after 6. So we will get 6 as the answer. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Next, 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. How we will say? Take 6 in the mind and 1 in the finger. 6 after 7. So by adding 6 plus 1, we will get 7 as the answer. Next, 7 plus 1. So take 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 7 after 8. So what we will get? 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. So children, if we add 1 with any number, we will get the next number as the answer. So I hope you all understood this addition, and also I hope you all enjoyed this addition activity.
Children, now it's time for your home assignment. So for your home assignment,